a visionary and phenomenal figure in the field of business, and more recently, a sterling and illuminating figure in modern-day governance. A man of uncommon brilliance and deftness, who was pivotal to the intimidating and monumental historical accomplishments of the outgoing governor of Edo State, the one and only Comrade Adams Aliu Oshiomhole. A man who by his name was anointed to always be a winner. Our own Mr. Godwin Nogase Obaseki. Was born on Wednesday, the 1st of July, 1959 in Benin City, Edo State, to the family of Obaseki and Benigye of Owena Street, Ogbelaka Quarters. He is the third child of late Pa Roland Obaseki and Madam Stella Benigye MON. For his education, he attended St. Matthew's Anglican Primary School, Benin City, from where he proceeded to Egosa Anglican Grammar School, Benin City, for his secondary education. He attended the premier university in Nigeria, the University of Ibadan, where he obtained a Bachelor of Arts degree in classics. He served the nation as a youth corps in Jos Plateau State. Mr. Obaseki was later to broaden his academic horizon when he attended the Columbia University and Ivory University and Pace University in New York, and had his MBA in Finance and International Business. He is a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, Nigeria, and an alumnus of the Lagos Business School Chief Executive Program. He was nominated a Global Leader for Tomorrow, GLT, by the world-renowned Economic Forum in 2001. Our governor-elect, Godwin Obaseki, began his career over 30 years ago and has established track records in investment banking, asset management, securities trading, and the public sector, both internationally and in Nigeria. He stands out as a colossus and a Mongol in the business firmament. He started out in 1983 with Capital Trust Brokers Limited, Lagos, as a stockbroker, where he excelled and subsequently worked with International Merchant Bank, an affiliate of First Chicago Bank of the United States of America. In 1988, he joined ABC Funds Limited, Lagos, where he served as a project manager and led the core team that set up two of the new generation banks, which eventually reshaped the face of the banking industry in Nigeria. Between 1993 and 1995, he worked in New York as a principal of Equatorial Finance Company, a financial advisory firm with a focus on Africa and providing structured trade finance for African-related transactions through credit, financial advisory, and risk insurance. Ladies and gentlemen, it is worthy of taking note that an entrepreneur par excellence and a pace setter, a pathfinder in Nigeria's capital market, our own Godwin Obaseki founded Avery Investment West Africa Limited, formerly Securities Transactions and Trust Company Limited, SecTrust, in 1995 as the pioneer managing director. The firm has since grown to become a leading investment banking and investment management firm in Nigeria. In 1995, SecTrust was appointed the correspondent stockbroker for Nigeria by the International Finance Corporation, IFC. In 1996, Sectros established the first derivative product, the Nigerian International Debt Fund, NIDF, on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, which allowed Nigerians invest local savings in US dollar investment. This fund, we are proud to say, has outperformed projections in terms of returns. Africa Invest is one of the most trusted advisory firms in the domestic corporate finance market, pioneering market innovations and providing leadership in the Nigerian securities market. The firm has advised on numerous landmark transactions, including the first Euro bond issued by a sub-Saharan African corporate outside South Africa, the first ever simultaneous merger and tender offer transaction in sub-Saharan Africa, and the largest ever listing on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. This great firm has been linked as a major investment research firm, which is at the forefront of playing instrumental roles in the introduction of new financing products such as Eurobonds and global depository receipts to Nigerian companies. Ladies and gentlemen, for his robust, uncontestable, and staggering accomplishments, and driven by a passion to serve his people, he heeded the clarion call by the comrade governor to join to serve his own state and joined the Oshiomhole administration. Under his able, legendary, and almost wizardry leadership capacity, the team started and steered Edo State to become the reference point in positive governance in Nigeria, especially in generation of funds and the able and debt management of such funds. Since then, key achievements of the Edo State government, incubated and implemented through the state economic team and other key MDAs of Edo State government, have included, amongst others, just to name a few, the introduction and incorporation of retreats as a platform to ensure all parties' engagement, not only in planning and executing state development initiatives, but also in monitoring and evaluation of outcomes. A 25 billion naira infrastructure development bond from the Nigerian capital market in 2010, and a 225 million concessionary rates development loan from the World Bank, with the first tranche of 75 million that was already assessed. It is on record that the World Bank only partners with transparent and progressive administrations, and that exactly has been what has happened under the able leadership of Oshiomhole, with the instrumentality, incubation, and support of the economic team that was chaired by the governor-elect, Governor Godwin Obaseki. He also, through the various summits that they organized, translated in measurable and desired outcomes, including the Azura Edo IPP project, with over $1 billion in foreign direct investment, currently under construction, straddling the communities that are all in Umodo local government area of Ondo State. Ladies and gentlemen, following the 2012 Agro-Business Summit, the state has attracted investment